Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that could take your gaming and streaming experience to the next level. We found the MAILANGSHI Gaming Bundle, a powerful USB and XLR microphone with an audio mixer, and we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the MAILANGSHI Gaming Bundle? This complete kit features a studio-grade dynamic microphone that offers both USB and XLR connectivity, making it versatile for a range of applications, from gaming to podcasting and even live streaming. With a sampling rate of 192 kHz in 24-bit depth, you can expect crystal-clear audio quality, capturing every vocal nuance while eliminating background noise. One of the standout features of this bundle is the customizable RGB lighting. The microphone and included audio mixer come with 5 dynamic lighting modes, which can match your gaming setup perfectly. Whether you prefer a soothing breathing gradient or a vibrant rainbow flow, this RGB feature helps create an immersive atmosphere that enhances not only your streaming presence but also your overall gaming experience. The dual connectivity options are another highlight. The MAILANGSHI microphone can function as a plug-and-play USB microphone for PCs and Macs, making it incredibly easy to set up. Alternatively, you can connect it via XLR to professional audio interfaces, all without needing phantom power. This flexibility makes it suitable for both casual gamers and serious audio professionals alike. For those who value audio control, this bundle does not disappoint. The built-in 3.5mm headphone jack offers zero latency monitoring, allowing you to hear your voice in real time. The included audio mixer gives you total control over your sound with independent mic gain, headphone volume, and even a mute button. This means you can fine-tune your audio settings on the fly, ensuring that your stream or recording sounds just right. Durability is also a key feature of this microphone. Its all-metal body offers resistance to drops and interference, which is essential for intense gaming sessions. Plus, the heavy-duty desktop stand ensures that your mic remains stable, even during the most heated moments. And if you need to cut the audio quickly, the capacitive mute button allows you to do so with just a simple tap, a must-have for serious streamers and content creators. So, who is the MAILANGSHI Gaming Bundle suitable for? It caters to a variety of users, including gamers, podcasters, and anyone involved in live streaming or voiceover work. Whether you're looking to kickstart your own YouTube channel, level up your Twitch streams, or improve the quality of your Zoom calls, this kit has everything you need to get started. It's particularly beneficial for those who want professional audio quality without the hassle of complex setups. In practical use cases, you can easily imagine this microphone being used for gaming marathons, where clear communication is vital. Podcasters will appreciate the studio quality sound for their recordings, ensuring every episode resonates with listeners. Additionally, musicians can use it for home recording, capturing vocals or instruments with remarkable fidelity. In conclusion, the MAILANGSHI Gaming Bundle is a complete podcast equipment kit that is ready to stream right out of the box. With its excellent audio quality, customizable lighting, and durable design, it's an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their audio experience in gaming, streaming, or content creation. Thanks for watching.